Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And let's go ahead and unbox the Fitbit Versa 3. Now, Fitbit touts these as smartwatches plus GPS. In my opinion, this is more of a smart fitness with GPS. This is their third iteration in the Versa lineup. They've had the first one, the second one, and now they've actually just released a Sense. Very similar to the Versa 3. Looks almost identical. About $100 more expensive. This retails for $229 US. Comes in 3 different colors. Away with the physical button. This has a touch capacitive button that we'll see here. If you look at the, right in the screen, in the front of the box, you'll see it's on the left-hand side there. But this is going to be an unboxing hardware look. Tons of videos out like that right now, but I just wanted to share my impression on it. And then eventually I'm going to be comparing this with the Garmin SQ, as well as my Fitbit Charge 4. Possibly all 3 are going to be compared as well. So let me quickly go over a couple of its features, and then we'll go ahead and unbox it. And this is going to be a quick and short video. First things first, like I said, $229 US. Comes with GPS, allows you to have music on it, sleep tracker, fitness tracker, heart, tracker. It includes oxygen saturation, or SpO2. That's new on this version. They say it comes with a 6-day plus battery life, fast charging, to talk about basically a day's worth of battery in just 12 minutes. And then voice assistance, right? So we've had Alexa built in, and Google's apparently trying to buy a Fitbit, or is still in the works with it. I thought it was done with, but it's not. I think the Google Assistant will be coming out in the future. It's got built-in exercises. It's going to give you some menstrual health tracking, and then of course the Fitbit app. Now, Fitbit Pay is also included in this. It used to have to be included in some special edition model. That's not the case with this, so you do get that as well. Let's go ahead and quickly unbox this though. Here's the back of the box real quick if you guys wanted to take a look. Pace and distance with built-in GPS, 24/7 heart rate, you got active zone minutes, store and play music, we've been over that, and then call and text and app notification. That's where, in my opinion, becomes more of a smart fitness tracker. This is not going to be your Apple Watch replacement. This is not going to be your Samsung Galaxy Watch replacement, okay? But this is going to give you a lot better app notification than if you had like a Fitbit Charge like I have on right now. And then, of course, fast charging. I think that's kind of important. I do know that this is going to have some sort of Fitbit proprietary charger. I wish it didn't, but that's the way these manufacturers go. Oh, that's a nice unboxing experience. Got a little trifold setup here. So I went with the black version. They've got a couple other ones, 3 different total. The band, though, the band looks very reminiscent to me, and I'll show you that in a second, of like an Apple Watch band, like an OG Apple Watch band. Left-hand side is the power adapter. Definitely looks proprietary. I'm not even going to bother unboxing that. The band, though, it's kind of cool, guys. You see this? Kind of just flips down into place. How do I... Oh, it just pulls out. That's got some nice weight to it. I'm not going to lie. I'm really digging the feel of this, because sometimes you pick up a piece of tech and it just feels like the money you spent, and sometimes you pick up a piece of tech and it doesn't, and it's actually pretty depressing. There's the band right there. I'm not sure if this is the large or not. They've got this one off here to the side to replace it. Let's go ahead and unsnap this. So it comes out like this. Yeah, reminds me a lot of Apple's band. Peel that back and around. I already got dirt on it. So not quite circular, not quite square, but I think it's a very clean look. I'm not going to turn it on this video because I want to set it up, and I just want to show you guys the hardware. But I think it looks good. I think this is one of Fitbit's by far best looking designs. Again, very similar to the Sense. Sense, more expensive, has a lot more tracking. Whether that tracking is worth it to you or not is up to you, obviously. But please let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to track. I'm very much an average user. Steps, sleep, basic notifications. That's what I care about. Especially steps and sleep, because I work in a place that I walk a lot. So if there's anything in particular that you'd like me to check out, please let me know. If there's a comparisons that you'd like me to do, please let me know. Again, I have the Garmin SQ currently. I have the Charge HR. I'm sorry, the Charge 4 that I have on my wrist now. I might possibly be getting the newest Apple Watch as well, or a newer Samsung smartwatch. With that being said, guys, like always, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, but more importantly, hit that subscribe button. It's free to you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.